A very good morning to all of you students. Today I am here again for another episode of Masti Ki Pathshala for you all. Hope you all are enjoying our Masti Ki Pathshala. Beyond books, that is the tagline for this Pathshala. आप वो सब करेंगे जो अपनी किताबों के अंदर नहीं कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ आवर कमिटमेंट. सो आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं हमारा अपना टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो आपको रोज आपके स्कूल से टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया मिल जाता है फोटो ऑन डिजिटल मीडिया पे. बट कितने लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स सी एंड गो इनसाइड आवर टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया टुडे एंड फाइंड आउट what is available for reading. So, with this Times of India, I want to just share with you when we collaborated. I still remember Arjun came to my office, the person who introduced Times of India to dolphins, and I was talking to him, and he was discussing the pros of introducing this newspaper to school. And then, and that time, I just told Arjun that it is a very good idea because if the paper goes to school for student and it goes to house from school, it will have literally a very big impact. And most of you are aware that Times of India is one of the leading paper in India, and we are using it as a place where our kids can understand the local world and the world outside. So it's reading is a very good exercise. It is an exercise for your brain. So with this Time of India today, I am just here to make sure that you all just go to your WhatsApp, go through this paper and see what is all there for you. So this is our front page of Times of India, the student edition. We call it NIE. Now, if you see on the top screen, we have they have their online edition as well. I have the digital edition which is there in my mobile, so I'm talking from that. You can go on www.toistudent.com and you will be able to see this picture. Now, on the top hand corner, we have three important things which talks about online versus classroom teaching. So there is a debate kind of a thing which you can go and see and leave your comment as well. Second is how to interact with extroverts. So people, those who are not talking, those who are not comfortable talking, let us see how we can talk to them. So again, there is a website, there is a link you can click and then you can go there. So I'm not going there, I am leaving it for you to go there. And then Ruskin Bond, as you know, is amazing story writer, short story writer. He's on air, and he is his stories are being told to students. So from 10 to 10 p.m. it is there on air. So let's you can go there and listen to the stories. So, as you know, make physical activity part of your routine during lockdown. So, this is the physical activity Times is talking about that we all should be doing. And as you know, we have also started talking to you for doing some physical exercise. So, how about having a physical exercise session in coming week? So, we will organize one yoga session and one dance session for all of you coming week. Now we have Narayan Murthy talking about our India. He is saying that we need to work for 60 hours a week for 2 to 3 years to fast track our economy. So as you all know that there is a lot of hit to our Indian economy because of all this what is going on. So we have to work on this, and for that, Narayan Murthy ji is suggesting that we need to work 60 hours. Now students, all those big students, I feel that coding is an upcoming thing you should all be doing. And this is at the right hand corner, I have beginners coding. So coding is just an exercise in computer. You need to learn it. It's a programming language where you can make anything on computers. So it's a very in thing now. So start thinking about it if you want to be a coder in future. Then we have Sania Mirza become first Indian to be nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award. So there are some facts which are important, and then we get to know that first YouTube channel, if you see, the first video on YouTube was uploaded in the year 2005, and that first video is from San Diego Zoo. So I'm so surprised that we also did our YouTube video for San Diego Zoo, though we were not at San Diego Zoo, but yes, we shot that video here. And now, as you see, YouTube's first video was also there 15 years ago. Then, as you know, hello, no touching, namaste is the new manner. It's a new in thing. So you need to do namaste to do maintain your social distancing. So that's what they are talking about. And now we have red, orange, and green zones in our life, in our day to day. So red zones are the areas where lot of cases of coronavirus is there. So they are like that. And orange zone is also there, and then we have green zone, so you can read what it is talking about. So let's go a little more down and see what is there for you. So page 2 is mostly an activity based page where there is a lot of things for you to do. So first page was more on a reading thing, increasing your journal knowledge, and second page is more of you doing things. So he's talking about why use art for social skills. Your art teacher is talking. So this is an art teacher from SNS school, and she is talking that art can be therapeutic for many children, helping with stress relief and the management of difficult emotions. So this is your art regime. So you have to put art in your working every day. So, yesterday you saw a video on masterpiece, that create your masterpiece. So, that video is inspiring you to create everything, something which is your masterpiece. So, that's what your art teacher is also talking about. And here you can send your paintings to Arjun, and he can publish it for you on the paper. And then we have Balu and Mowgli, and we have to start finding out the way for Balu and Mowgli inside it so that they meet each other. And now they are talking about book called Inside Out. So there is a book which is Inside Out, and it is book on emotions. So you can go through and that see that book, and it is an amazing book, not book, the story, sorry, it's a movie, and you will come to know about emotions. And then we have a lockdown do it yourself. There you have paper plate, dream catcher, then you have your old glass bottle for painting, and he is talking about mindfulness meditation. So on 5th May, we give you a mindfulness meditation. So you can do that and to relax yourself, which is very important. And then we have with us your hobby class, and he's talking about photography. So you can decide to do some photography. People from the age group of 5 to 10 have different ideas, 10 plus will have different ideas. So go through the reading corner and find out what you want to do and how you should do. And if you are not able to read, take the help of the elders in the family. Then there are book suggestions you should go forward. So you can read the book called The Color of Magic, The Hitchhiker, A Wizard of Earthsea, Artemis. These are four books Times is recommending for all of us to read. And then you have a word quiz. You can find out these words, and it is relaxing. And at the last, we have three whistles. So you have, instead of puzzles, you have whistles now. And in whistles, you have to find out what is it is talking about. So And then you have quiz time, which is all about general knowledge. The first Afghan war took place in, so you have to think and you have to get back. So first Afghan war was there in 1839. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because yesterday हमारे रूम में फाल्गुनी आई थी नेचुरोपैथी से, एंड उन्होंने हमें बताया था कि हमें सन बाथ लेना चाहिए. तो अब यहीं पे वो क्वेश्चन आ गया. सी योर लाइफ इज सो रिलेटेड. सो सनलाइट हेल्प क्या करती है हमको, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट. सो इट The ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. So that is what it does. So this is why we are supposed to sit for sun bath. And now at the family circus, you have a comedy thing which is going on because the girl is little confused that bone does not rhyme with known or none. So why it is so? Because English is a funny language. You need to know what is what, why it is. So thank you very much. I will request each one of you to go back, see from you have got this paper from your school teacher. So please read this paper every day so that you are a good reader. And the one of the best thing when you read your newspaper every day is that you will be increasing your vocabulary. Your vocabulary will go to next level, and that is something very good. So when you read, you will increase your vocabulary. When you read, you'll increase your general knowledge. When you read, you will know something different which you did not know earlier. So इतने सारे फायदे हैं, तो रीडिंग करने में क्या जाता है. सो मेक इट अ पॉइंट. एंड रीड करना कैसे याद करोगे. You just have to make sure that every day you are sitting with this newspaper for 5 minutes. और अगर आपके घर में हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर इज देयर, you have Dainik Bhaskar, you have any other newspaper coming to your house, please spend some time with that newspaper so that you are aware about the little world we have. Thank you very much. Nice talking to you.